Fine. Perfect. All right. So where were we? Yes. What is algo? Basically, we all know it is an auto. So it is divided into semi-auto and full auto. Now, what is semi-auto? Semi-auto is simple that you apply strategies. For example, I'll show it on the chart box. Uh, on the charts itself, preparing something for you all. So, see, I have created one strategy. Okay, एक minute. RSI divergence indicator. RSI breakout created by me itself. Huh. Let's say, for example, we are at this strategies. Okay, you got this signals and all. For example, okay. So what you will do is in semi-auto, what will happen when you will put some certain condition. Let's say I'm putting a condition that uh, I want to buy when this crosses out. So it will get you a sign of buy somewhere over here. Then when you see the signal, it will create an alert. And based on that alert, what are you going to do? You are going to buy your positions over here. Okay, that is semi-auto. Okay, then manually you can put your stop loss. Manually you can put your target. That comes under semi-auto. Manual is completely manual, where you don't get any kind of buy or sell signal. Okay, and what is automatic? It will automatically go and trade. It will automatically buy. It will automatically go for the stop loss. It will automatically go for the targets. That's how it is been conducted. Okay, these are the two types of algo we have. I can just derive what algo is. In case if you want, you can write it. Algo is equal to speed plus discipline plus data driven. We all know that market is data driven. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers comes in, comes out. There are two types of analysis we do. One is price action, one is fundamental. Right? Through price action also, there are two type of indicators that we use. One is price indicator, one is volume indicator. Correct? So if I want to utilize all these things, the first thing I need to understand is that how perfectly I'm creating a discipline into this. We are humans. We can't create discipline and we can't be on that constant thing for the rest of the life. So that's where the algo. Now, trading in algo, does it require any kind of skills or does it require any kind of you can say क्या बोल सकते हो उसको in any kind of certain conditions to do. No, it's nothing like that. You learn anything based on whatever your interest is, based on your price action or based on your fundamental analysis, and then you can push it for the algo with the commands. That's what I'm going to teach you into the upcoming sessions. Certain kind of popular strategies, just like adding EMS, adding your Bollinger Bands, adding your breakout, your RSI, again giving the conditions. The ultimate thing for algo states that we have to give him a command along with the conditions. So the popular strategies can be applied over here. It can be executed over here. Okay. I can just show you over here. एक minute. Let me show you one thing. थोड़ा सा अगर मेरे को मिल जाता है ना वो किधर गया? Fine editor add to chart. ये तो side breakout plus. I added that यार actually I'm getting this. ठीक है. I'm actually not getting वरना मैं आपको बता देता. So there has एक स्ट्रैटेजी हम लोग ने मैंने क्रिएट की थी for my personal uses. ठीक है, let it be. Okay. So all together again the same things along this side particular what we can add is we can create our own strategies. जैसे let's say we have an AI tool ये हमारा chat अपना charge experience for us where I am not officially I can say but for me not for all but for me I'll tell you I am generating around 12 to 13% of return only on options writing through this through algo. The reason behind that is very simple. I am not active for whole of the day. I'm associated with the sessions. So I have given some where my option selling starts post to 2 and make money when others are sleeping, when others are not doing, when others are doing research. At that time, I make money. And in the morning by 9:30, 9:45, by 10 max I'll be booking my profit and I'm coming out of the market. 10 to 12%, which is the highest return that I have went up to. Average monthly, I go around 6, 7, and 8%, I can say. And that's how I grow my capital. I am not saying that you will be also making, because it took me years for making this. Now you might be saying, ki, sir, kya सिर्फ 12% बना रहे हो? I am making money when others are sleeping. Understand this thing. I'm not making money when others are awake and you are getting panic. I don't even look at the markets from as an point of option seller. I'm saying, not as an option buyer or a stock buyer. As an option buyer, option seller, I don't do option selling while the markets are active from 9:30 to 3. The reason behind that, I don't want to take stress of maximum loss. There it can hit my capital and it can take me to the loss. So I have created such particular strategy where I have given the command post to 2:30 at 3 or 3:05 p.m. It will be evaluating the orders. It will be through the PCR, through the OI range, and then it will executing my order automatically through a platform. And we have been doing this through Master Trust, since should be minimum 75%. That's what my criteria is. My strategy gives me around more than 85%, more than 88%, especially for option selling. Again, option selling is something which is out of the box, which I practically didn't want to introduce to anyone. That I have special courses for that. Many of the students from my option selling itself, they are coming and they know how that practically works with a logical manner. Many of them are sitting over here for Algo. I know the names also, I can see into the participants also, but they know. Again, speaking, option selling is something out of the box which you need to learn first, and then you have to integrate. Other we are going to learn is your risk and your portfolio management. That is the most important part which we are practically focusing on. Now, here the most important science stays of position sizing or position sizing. Now, is it something compulsory that we have to utilize 100% of the funds, or is it something like we can only utilize only this much amount of fund? It completely depends upon the conditions. Not one single strategy is going to be used for every of the stock. Depends on the movement, depends on the particular demand and supply of the stock. We are going to decide what kind of trades we are going to take, whether we are going to buy it, whether we are going to sell it, or whether what we are going to do. Very simple. So when it comes to this particular point, always remember one thing, that not every stock is built with the same strategy, and not every single day is with the same condition itself. The condition changes, direction changes, and we have to take action accordingly. So we'll be giving out prompts and command to the algos. If this is the condition, we'll go for this. This is the condition, we'll go for this.